Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to make a blog post look good. Essential tip for visual appeal. So why blog design matters? Visual retention boosts. Here readers remember 60% of information when it's paired with images compared to just 10% with text alone. According to an NN group study, visual are key to lasting impact. Engage and reduce bounce and build trust and shareability. A professional polished aesthetic not only builds credibility with your audience but also encourage them to share your valuable content on social media. So use clear structures and readable typography. Here is, for example, right here, headings is organized content logically. Use H1 for the main title, H2 for a primary and section, and H3 for subpoints to guide the readers. There you go, scannable paragraphs and paragraphs. So here, break text into shorts, digestible paragraph, and leverage bullet points or number lists for easy scanning and improve comprehension. And consistent readability. So here is select legible fonts, maintain consistent font size, and use appropriate colors to ensure optimal readability across your entire blog post. Add high quality, relevant visual. Feature image impact. Begin each post with captivating feature image to grab immediate attention. And strategic image placement. So here, distribute multiple high quality image throughout your content, aiming for one visual every 75 to 100 words to maintain engagement. And illustrative graphics, so incorporate charts, compelling infographics, and strike quote visual to make complex data and key ideas for memorable impact. So key layout, clean and mobile friendly. Embrace white space. So utilize white space effectively to reduce visual clutter, enhance readability, and draw your attention to your most crucial content elements. Responsive design, select a responsive theme for template that automatically adapts flawless to all screen size from desktop to smartphone. Optimize load time. Ensure your blog load quickly by optimizing image size, minimizing unnecessary elements, and streamlining your site's overall performance. And final takeaway, guys, design your readers. So here, clarity and visual interest, prioritize clear communication, simplicity, and compelling visuals to ensure your readers remain start to finish. So branding and navigating, consistent branding and intuitive navigating fosters readers' loyalty and encouraging and building a strong community around your content. Content meets experience. Hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any questions, type it in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.